Welcome to Escape Routine TV. I just wanted to give you a quick room tour of the Cove Balcony 5310 on the Carnival Celebration. As you can see, this room was designed for a family of 4. I did have a crib because I do have a toddler, so that did make the room a little bit smaller than what I thought it was going to be because it was hard to get past that crib to get to the balcony. And then on the left here, you have the storage closets. And then right here, I'm opening up the bathroom for you to see that it was really small. If you sit on that toilet, your knees is almost going to hit the shower. So that was just a con I felt about the bathroom. And then the balcony was really small too. I had to arrange it that way so I can see out, but there was beautiful views nonetheless.